Hi everyone, good morning. Today let's discuss our second lesson, The Magic Garden. This is a story about a magic garden and it was placed on a school playground. Look at your textbook. So, the magic garden was in a school playground. The magic garden was placed in a school playground. It was very pretty. Sunflowers and roses stood against the wall. There were also marigolds, poppies, and pansies. The magic garden was in a school playground. The magic garden was placed on a school playground and it was very pretty. Pretty means beautiful. It was very beautiful. And sunflowers, roses stood high against the wall. So the garden has sunflowers and roses are there, and these flowers stood high against the wall. Against means to oppose the wall. And there were also marigolds, poppies, and pansies. So the garden has sunflowers, roses, marigolds, poppies, and pansies. The sunshine fell on this garden more than on any other, and the flowers danced and sang happily. They said to one another, "We have hundreds of little gardeners." They were the children from the school. So the sunshine fell on this garden. That time the flowers danced and sang happily, and the flowers said to one another, "We have hundreds of gardeners." That means the flowers said to one another, they have hundreds of little gardeners. Gardeners means one who looks after the garden. That person is called the gardener. And they were the children from the school. The gardeners were the children from the school. The flowers feel that the children were their gardeners. One sunny morning, the flowers were talking to the birds. So one sunny morning, the flowers were talking to the birds. The flowers talking to the birds. "I love all the children, but I love the dear little ones most of all." So, said a poppy flower. The poppy flower said that he loved all the children, but he loved the dear little ones. Okay, the poppy flower said that he loved all the children, but he loved the dear little ones because I like them to bring their watering cans and water my thirsty roots. So, the flowers said that, the poppy flower said that he loved the dear little ones. That means the little children. He loved the little children because the children bring their watering cans. They bring their water bottles and the children pour the water for the thirsty roots of the flowers. That's why the poppy flower like the little children. "Yes," said the marigolds, "the boys are good to us too. They dig the ground so well." The marigold flower said that the boys are good to us too. Okay, the marigold feel that boys are too good like others. Okay, the marigold flower said that the boys are good because the boys dig the ground so well. Boys dig the ground. Dig the ground means dig the sand. Okay. Dig the soil. Okay. So we have to plant a tree or a flower. We first of all we want to do the digging the ground, digging the soil very well. Then we place the plant on the soil. So the boys so good to doing such kind of things. That's why marigold flower like the boys. Okay. So the first one, the poppy flower, said that he loved all the children, but he loved the little ones most of all others, because the children came to the garden with the watering cans and they water the thirsty roots. And the marigold flower said that he loved the boys because boys are good, because they dig the ground well. So these important sentences, you please notice that or underline these sentences. Okay, first one is we have hundreds of little gardeners. The whole flower said that we have hundreds of little gardeners. And who was the hundreds of little gardeners? They are the children from the school. And the second sentence is important. I love all the children, said the poppy flower, because I love all the children, but I love the dear little ones, because the children came to the garden with the watering cans and they pour the water to the thirsty roots. And the third one, marigold said, the boys are good to us too, because the boys dig the ground so well. Okay, just look up the new words and meanings. The first one, gardener, meaning one who looks after the garden. That person is called the gardener. And the second one, pretty, that means beautiful. So these two words are very important. You must study these two words and their meanings. Thank you all.